Hey guys, what's up? It is Grace and Mason, and we are sitting here super cozy, super happy. Got some tea. I think we're just going to do a little update. So I am home for Thanksgiving break. I will be here for the next week, ruining Mason's life. And what have you been up to?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. I don't know what direction this video is going in. I kind of wanted it to be like a holiday type thing, just talk about what we're going to be doing for the next... You good?
I think it's going south.
Shut up! You're ruining this for me! Talk about what we're going to be doing for the holidays and just kind of give you an update.
Oh, get some card.
Shut up! Just kind of give you an update on what we're doing for the holidays. It's technically not the holidays yet. I still have to write a paper, and Mason is still in school. But yeah, what are we planning on doing for Thanksgiving?
Eating ham.
What?
Eating ham.
Yeah, we don't like turkey. We eat ham, and then we have prime rib for Christmas. So we're gonna go to 2 Thanksgiving dinners and live our life to the fullest. Yeah, it's currently snowing right now, so that's exciting. Evie and the puppy are over there. They're doing good for a lot of people that were curious. Are you kidding me, Mason?
No. Yep, there's snow. Let's go look out.
What do you want to talk about? Talk about something. I'm sorry, I can't hear
Be
you.
cozy.
Well, how do you be cozy?
I stay warm with the blanket.
You gotta talk louder than that.
I stay warm with the blanket.
You're talking at the same level.
I stay warm with the blanket.
That's all you do?
And drink tea.
And you don't like tea?
And watch something funny.
We've been watching The Office for like the 1,500th time. That's been a lifestyle. Yeah. Oh, and we're working on getting some stuff together for Christmas, and we just made a bunch of dog treats, and we kind of want to do something with them. So
We're gonna do a Secret Santa with each other.
Mason wants to do a Secret Santa with each other, but we both have like $10, so that's literally like nothing's going on. But I didn't really know what to film, so I thought we'd just figure it out as we went. And yeah, the tree's right there, and I want you guys to see it, but I think that I'm gonna like inch closer with every video, and like then like when Christmas, like it's actually December, there's gonna be like boom the tree. It's all over my Instagram, but
Oh yeah.
I'm drinking green tea. Say
What am I
something.
supposed to say? I like
What's your favorite thing to like? I don't really know.
serious documentaries.
What?
Serious documentaries.
You like serious documentaries?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out because this is like the time of year when it's like awkward. You can't really do holiday stuff because you haven't had Thanksgiving yet. But then like you want to do holiday stuff. Like I've been listening to holiday music and like Thanksgiving's dope and everything, but like you know, it's just I don't know. What holiday videos do you guys want to see? Because like I don't really know what I want to do this year. I've done like 4 or 5 altogether, and all of them I just want to talk, but I don't really know how. If you want us to do Secret Santa, tell us, because he really wants to do it. But it's going to be like a $2 limit. Guys, Evie's here and Pumpkin's here. Come here, Pumpkin. Pumpkin's here. Say hi, Pumpkin. She has sweaters, but she doesn't wear them because it's really hot in here and she never leaves the house. When she's like literally, it'll be like 60 degrees and we take her outside and she like freezes like the cat from Christmas with the Cranks. So she stays right where she is. Oh, bye, Pumpkin. Evie, come here. Evie's also here. She says hello. She's doing good. By the way, we never actually got to wear her Halloween costumes because I forgot them, and then it was on a Wednesday, so I was at school. But it's fine. Everything's fine. I'm fine. Any other updates? Anything at all?
It's almost the break.
It's almost Mason's break.
And yours.
Well, my Christmas break. I have 2 weeks and then it's Christmas break after this. Which I am so excited about. We don't get fall break at UK. So I've been at it since August unless I chose not to go to class, which is bad. Don't do that. So yeah, that's why I'm like dead inside. I mean, that's pretty much it. We aren't really doing much these days. We're just kind of chilling, living life. I sleep on the couch a lot because of the Christmas tree. There's a fireplace, but obviously it's not turned on because we're here. Yeah. What holiday videos do you want to see though? Because I really want to know. Because I can't do this by myself. This is a group project. So help. We'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully since it's Thanksgiving break, we'll be uploading. Or I'll be uploading a lot. Yeah. And that's really it. Doing things. Taking naps. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later. Love you.
So I heard you found somebody else.